Hello everyone, this is RD Mendez and today I'm going to show you some of the products or items that we can give to somebody on Valentine's Day because a few days from now it's gonna be Valentine's Day, so let's see what we have here that I can show you that you can give to your loved one or to your child, friend, spouse, and of course family members if you have a chance, or if there's someone that's also the birthday is coming this month during February, then it's also best to give this to them. So these are just some of the ideas that actually I bought so that I can give it to somebody that I'm planning to give it to. So let's start what we have here. So first, I already have it here beside me. So it's a good idea to give someone, if you know their skin type, like a facial. For this one is high potency cellular peel. So if you know a friend or a sister, and of course anybody that you know their skin type, or if they're into beauty, then this is one of the best thing to give for facial care. I'm just trying to do it one by one. So we can put it here. And then, of course, we have the heart. Especially for the smaller kids, they would love to have this. Aside from chocolate, little things like this, they will appreciate. Or even teenagers. So that we have the heart. We'll leave it here because it's Valentine's. And, of course, the chocolate. Any kind of chocolate, they would love this, the kids and women. So we have to make sure that we have chocolate. And this one here, I'm going to remove it from the plastic. I found this from the store. This is awesome because it's a stuffed toy and it's already including the bath and there's some bath stuff in here. So this is perfect. So we're going to put this here. I'm wrapping it, so that's why I'm just trying to see what is in our bags. And we have, of course, the lotions that I can give away too, plus the spray and body wash. We have more lotions here. So we're just putting it all together. This is also body wash. And I found this from the store. This is one of my favorite perfume, and this has the sweet smell on it. It's pink sugar. So we're going to put this here all together with the teddy bear that we have, and we also have another lotion. I don't have a lot today, but it's just for the some of my friends and of course my daughter that I'm planning to give it to. Okay, let's continue what we have here. So I have some slippers that has the heart shape in this. So this is perfect to give. There you go. There's the heart, the hearts in it. So this is really nice. And actually I have another one here. There. So we'll just, and then last one. There you go. And there's even a heart shape at the bottom of these slippers. So this is nice to give away. So we have the slippers. So we'll put it here. And we have also a watch that, if you have a special someone and you have extra money that you can give to, this is perfect. They will appreciate it. So that's a nice gift, a watch for men. And I have another watch here. This is for women or for a child. So we'll just set this aside. And of course, kids like socks, so this is perfect too for giving socks. So we're just trying to organize this so that we can wrap it. And there's also one here that I got from the store. There's still paper in it, actually inside, because I haven't removed it. But this is good for makeup kit. Like if you are planning to give to someone that you just want to put the makeup or the perfume, anything in it, or for women, for a child, then you can just give this all together with the makeup or even the perfume that you're planning to give. So we're just going to set this aside for now. And we have more. I also found this, it's a smart pods. So if you have a teenager or a child again, even with somebody that, into like stuff that they are into music. So this is a good item to give. We're going to, let's see if I can open it now. There you go. Here's the smart pods. It's Bluetooth. So we're just putting it here. And then more chocolate. Women and children, they love chocolate. So this is a perfect idea to give them chocolate. They will not say no to that. And so we're just putting it aside. And we have more. If you know somebody that are into wallets, this is also good to give. And even if they are like it's their birthday for this month, this is a nice wallet. So this is perfect. You can just put any amount of money in there so that when they open the wallet, they will be surprised that, oh wow, there's already money in the wallet. So we'll just leave it there. And we have also, actually, oops. We have the mug. It says, "Hello, beautiful." So this is a nice gift for a lady. And what you can do, you can put either chocolates in there or the heart-shaped stuff like this. So they would love to have that with the other gifts you have for the lady, for your loved one. And especially if you put a ring in here or a chocolate, anything that will, complement the mug, or even hot chocolate you can also put in the mug. So it doesn't really have to be expensive. You just have to have a little items here and there, and then you wrap it properly, and they would appreciate that. I have a bit more in here. We have this. It's a margarita. And of course, another one. So if they're into, if they love celebrating the Valentine's Day, then you can of course give this to them. Any kind of wine will do it. And some people, they don't really drink, so you can also buy something that has no alcohol in it. So this is a perfect gift for men and women. And let's see what else we have. We have here the hat. That's since we're in Canada and it's cold here, then we can give them hat. So there you go. So we have the hat to wrap. And also, we have here another thing that's good for women to give because of the weather here in Canada is this one, the gloves. They would love to have gloves because of the cold weather. Then we can wrap that. And we have another plastic bag beside me that we can open. So this is a very popular gift that usually it's given to the men and women. I mean, any kind of perfume. This is just the one that I saw from the store that I grabbed. So this is just giving you an idea if you don't know what to give to your loved one. So grab a perfume for him or her, and they will appreciate that. So we are going to wrap this too. And I have another perfume. We already have one perfume on this side. And of course, there's so many perfume that you can buy. But of course, it's Valentine. So just to, show appreciation or your love to your friends, family, then you can just give them something like any, as I said, any perfume or even just a cologne or a spray like this. It doesn't matter as long as you remember them. So there you go. We're going to wrap that. And this is the cover for that. It's also in the box already, so you don't have to worry about the cover. And of course, we have, let's see. We also have lipstick. Like actually, you can also give them lipsticks. And what you can do, you can just put it in a smaller box, and then we already have this small container here. You can put everything in there and some brushes that you can also put all together with the cosmetic bag that you already have. So you can give this to them if you are, the friend that you're giving it to. Plus this eye makeup or face makeup. These are ideas that you can give, the makeup stuff. And there's also here, I have to show you something that's a good idea to give. If you know someone that love necklaces or jewelry, you can buy something that has a heart shape on it. This is actually given to me. I just want to show this to you. So at least it's easier to find something like this, like with a heart shape, because it connotes the Valentines, especially for women. It can be gold or just fancy heart. And what you can do to, if you just got it from the store without the bags, of course, to make it fancier, you can just put it in a box. If you have, you can always buy a box from the store. Or if you already have jewelry that somebody gave you and you no longer need the box, and if it's still sitting there, just put the jewelry inside the box and you will have a really nice gift. As I mentioned, this one was already given to me by one of my close friends. So I love it because I have it for years, and until now I still am wearing it. And this is perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed my channel, and I see I may still have more to wrap, but for now, I'm going to say bye and happy Valentine's Day in advance. I'm going to make a Valentine's wreath like I have this, plus, of course, I am going to show it in another video, maybe just 2 or 3 minutes of it, or a bit more, but we are going to hang it behind me or near the door to feel the Valentine's Day. So have a great day, everyone, and I hope you enjoy my channels. Don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and of course subscribe. And this is Arlie Mendez signing off, and bye for now.